Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to enhance your photos like a professional using Lightroom. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through the process of editing your photos to perfection. Follow along as we dive into the powerful features and tools Lightroom offers. From adjusting exposure and color balance to applying creative filters and enhancing details, we'll teach you the tricks that will make your photos stand out from the crowd. Learn the techniques used by professionals to transform ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art. Discover how to bring out the best in your images by mastering Lightroom's advanced editing capabilities. With our step-by-step instructions and practical tips, you'll soon be editing your photos with confidence and achieving outstanding results. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the endless possibilities that Lightroom provides. Unleash your creativity and develop your own unique editing style that will make your photos truly captivating. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional photographer, or simply someone who enjoys capturing beautiful moments, this tutorial is tailored for you. With Lightroom's intuitive interface and our expert guidance, editing your photos has never been easier. So, grab your favorite photo and let's delve into the world of Lightroom editing together. Enhance your photos like a pro and take your photography skills to new heights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials on photo editing with Lightroom. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll cover advanced editing techniques, time-saving shortcuts, and much more. Visit our channel for more educational content on photography, photo editing, and creative inspiration. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.